Just one more line. Perfect! My picture of Sally the salamander is complete.
Wow! Joy, your room looks really cool. You've got paintings, skateboards, a lizard. How'd you make it?
Oh, this is my custom room. Let me show you how I made my custom bedroom. It's got so many fun things inside, and all my friends can come over and have the best time.
Okay, today I am going to show you how to make your own DIY inspired room for the Inside Out emotion character Joy. Her colors are yellow and blue. So for this room, I have a bunch of yellow and blue Lego bricks. We're going to start by taking our base. We're going to start with a wall that goes along the edges of the bedroom we're making. And then we're going to incorporate Joy's favorite color, of course, some blues. I'm adding some shelving in the middle right here, and I'll extend the wall on this side. I've got some desk pieces. It looks like we can add like a little computer. And then this is my favorite part. We're going to add this giant wall right here and add a sticker. These are all the things that Joy would love. Very nicely. Oh, try it one more time. The sticker has to be placed absolutely perfectly. Awesome. So now Joy has her bedroom, a wall. What else are we missing for Joy's room? Oh yeah, I said I had a computer, right? So let's add the screen and find a computer sticker. This wall is looking fantastic, and Joy's room is coming along perfectly, but there's still so much to do. Donuts. Donuts and drinks, because everyone who works in an office definitely needs some donuts and drinks. That station looks fantastic. Now I'm going to add this to the top. Over here I'm going to build like a little base out of white. Whoops. And another piece right here. And then we're going to take two of these circles and build them up and place them right here in the corner. I think I want to make it like a little lounge area, so we're going to have to build a little nook. We're going to put this on top and a base for her to sit on. Now we need to add some color. So here's a green little dot to start, and I'll show you exactly what I do. Let me lift this up. I'm going to add a yellow, pink, pink, and this one right here. Okay, it's looking good, but so far it's open to the elements. We need to build a wall. I've got these 4 pillars and I think they are going to work perfect. One placed here and on this side. Oops, let me face it this way. I think that looks better. One here, and let's add some more color because I think it will look better if I add another row. Then we'll add a roof. And now we can add the second wall of our pillars. Closing it up on top. Adding to this, we're going to add some accent pieces just to make the room look even better. And on the top, I'm going to use the color pink, but you can use whatever you would like for your room. The walls are now complete for her bedroom, and we're going to focus now on what to put in her room, like a bed. Every bedroom needs a bed, and maybe some fun accessories like a skateboard and some pets.
Wow, my room looks amazing so far.
Thanks, Joy. We've built the walls, we made you a cozy section for your friends, added some accessories. Is there anything else missing that you would like in your room?
I would definitely like a bed, maybe a chair for my friends to sit in. I've always wanted a pet and a skateboard. That would be so much fun.
Skateboard coming right up. We have a spot to hang it right here. And now we can finish up. She wants a bed, maybe a place for her friends to sit and hang out. Let's get this going. We're adding a whole bunch of new pieces because to build all of her accessories, whoa, there's one all the way back here. We have to put it all together. So here we go. We're going to start by building the bed, and I've got a base there. I've got this really cool structure that I'm going to add by placing it here. So we're going to build the bed on top of this. When I flip it up, the bed goes into the compartment, and we've got a cool bookshelf with CD players and everything. Then, when I flip it back down, we can make it back into a bed. I think that's a good start. For the bed itself, I have a base. We're adding 2 pillowcases and green sheets because the skirt of Joy is green, so why not add this to our whole entire bed? I'm going to place it right here, and now watch what happens to the bed. Whoop! During the daytime it's gone, and at nighttime it's back. Now that we're on daytime mode, let's add a fun carpet. Wow, because Joy is so positive all the time, we definitely need a fun, loving carpet. I made a tray and donuts that I can place in the back here in the sitting lounge area. And check this out. Big spill of ice cream right in the front of the carpet. Oh no! But the room looks so good. Now let's extend the floor by just a little bit. We'll add this to the front here and add a little side piece to connect it. Joy did mention that she wants to have a pet, and I think I'm going to do a pet lizard. So I have to build a terrarium for the pet. So this is the base, a green, and we are going to put a wall around it. I also found which one I want to add. It's, oh my gosh, a yellow salamander for Joy. This will be perfect in her new bedroom. So let's go ahead and add this up here. Now it's enclosed. We will add a stack of books because Joy's room is super cool, and because she's an artist with all the emotions, we'll add an art palette. In the front, we'll add a little water feeder. Off to the side here, we can add a little chair. And now let's add our cool lizard to his new home. It's so cute! Look at it sitting inside. We can look at it from its actual cage in the back. It's adorable! That is so cute. And when Joy wants to pull it out, we can put it on its stand, and her friends can take a good look at the new baby salamander. But that's not all. Let's add a drawing station. Joy and her friends can draw pictures of our new salamander. What should we name it? Do you have a good name for the salamander? Which picture do you like more? This one or this one? Leave a thumbs up if you think it's this one. Okay, what do you guys think of Joy's custom bedroom? We gave her a pet salamander, a skateboard, a fun little corner to read books and eat donuts, her bed and bookshelf with all the pictures of her friends in the back. We've got her computer desk with more drinks and donuts, a chair, and a big giant ice cream spill. When she wants to, her friends can draw pictures of her pet lizard. We do have little extra accessories, and I'll carefully open up this drawer and I'll place them inside. On the top one, whoa, we've got markers. So it looks like Joy is an artist who has a pet lizard and a skateboard for fun.
My room is crazy cool. And I've got the perfect name for my salamander. Sally the Salamander. What better name could I have picked? It's perfect. Thanks everyone for making me the best room.